Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix alarm no sound on Infinix GT30. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, go to app library. Here click on clock app. After click on clock app, allow clock alarm. Go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, open quick settings panel. Suggest to swipe down and turn off silent mode. After turn off silent mode, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on app management. Click on app list. After click on app list, scroll down and click on clock and click on storage and cache. Click on clear cache. Go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, again click on settings app and click on my phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So you will check your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.